Here we are. In this video, we're going to go ahead and go through the most amazing hidden features, tips, and tricks that you should know about your Apple Watch all in 200 seconds or less, which is equivalent to 3 minutes and 20 seconds. So let's quickly start the timer and get started. If an application is acting funny, hold down the power button and then press and hold on digital crown. This will close it. To reset the Apple Watch, obviously, power button, digital crown, continue holding it until the Apple logo reboots, starts up, and reboots itself. If you launch the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and you go into passcodes, here you can enable unlock with iPhone, and now next time when your Apple Watch is locked, unlock your iPhone, it's going to unlock itself, so you don't have to enter the passcode on it. Are you tired of using Apple Maps, but every time when you're about to make a turn, it gives you a haptic feedback on your wrist for the Apple Watch? You can also go ahead and disable that right here if you go into the Maps section, and then just go ahead and disable this. When operating the Apple Watch, you could be on an application, and as long as you press and hold down here, you can bring up a control center as well as your notifications, no matter what app you're in. If you have Nightstand Mode enabled on your Apple Watch, next time when you dock your watch, it will give you this cool Nightstand Mode animation. But in addition to that, if you tap the lightning bolt right here, it will show you the exact battery life percentage of the current Apple Watch stats. If you're having a hard time locating a certain app with this grid view, if you hop into the setting, go into app view, this is where you can select between list and grid. By double tapping the digital crown, this will take you back to the previously open app. And then the bottom button, of course, is your app switcher, which you could change from recently opened apps to favorite apps. To go ahead and do this, go into the Apple Watch app, tap Docs, and here's where you can select the favorite ones, and you can control and customize the list down here. If you're struggling to find your phone, by tapping and holding the pin icon, not only will play the sound if you tap on it once, but will also play the flash, toggle the flash on your device so you can locate it faster. Other neat things about Control Center, if you long press on the Wi-Fi icon, you can connect to a Wi-Fi network just like that. Battery life, this will give you access to the power reserve mode. Flashlight, you have a very bright flashlight, a strobe light, a red light, so you're more easy to spot in case you're running outdoors or need to locate something in a very dark room and this is your only option. Theater mode, with theater mode enabled, basically when you cover up your display, it will turn pitch black and you can utilize the digital crown to take a quick peek. So this will disable the always on display if your Apple Watch is equipped with it. And then if you put your device on water lock mode, if you rotate the digital crown, it will play this sound, which will eject any liquid that's covering the speakers. When starting a workout, you can tap to bypass the timer. In addition to that, a double tap will start different segments. If you have a ton of Apple Watch library of watch faces to choose from and you want to reorganize it, just tap and hold and you can reorganize it right here on your wrist. If your friend or family or anybody asks you what type of complications you have in your watch, you can literally just share it to them right here and just enter their contact information as well as the message and send it to them. As you can share watch faces just like that. If you find yourself all the way in the bottom of an application, just tap the top part of the screen, it'll automatically bring you back up. If you find yourself not having your Apple Watch unmuted, if you receive a bunch of notifications, just put your palm over it, continue holding it, you'll feel a haptic feedback, and then you'll notice that your Apple Watch is now in silent. And there you guys have it. That is the quick 200 seconds or less series. If you enjoy, make sure you hit that like button as well as get subscribed because there's plenty of more coming out in the near future. But in the meantime, if you want to see the previous video, check out this video over here, as that is the 200 seconds or less revolving around the AirPods Pro. And in that video over there, this is a video YouTube is recommending specifically for you. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See ya.